If your energy feels low today, if everything feels heavy, if even simple things feel like effort, you're not failing, you're human. And in Wicca, especially the quiet, practical kind, low energy days are not a problem to solve. There's something to work with. Today, I want to talk about what to do when you still want to practice, but your body or mind just isn't cooperating. First, release the guilt. You do not need a full ritual, a complicated altar, perfect visualization, high spiritual energy. Low energy does not mean low connection. In fact, some of the most meaningful practice happens on the quietest days, because it's honest. The one candle reset. If you can manage one thing, make it this. Light a single candle. That's it. No script, no long invocation, no pressure. Just sit with it for a minute. Let it represent, I am still here. Sometimes that's enough. If even lighting a candle feels like too much, just sit near a lamp or natural light and take 3 slow breaths. Your presence is the practice. Ground without drama. Grounding doesn't have to be dramatic. On low energy days, put both feet flat on the floor. Notice the pressure under your heels. Take 1 slow breath. That's grounding. You don't need roots growing into the earth. You don't need vivid imagery. Simple physical awareness is enough. Passive practice. Some days you don't do the magic. You absorb it. Read 1 paragraph of something meaningful. Sit with a comforting object. Step outside for fresh air, even for a moment. Spiritual practice is not always active. Sometimes it's simply staying connected. Low energy is not a block. There's this idea that you must feel powerful to practice. But power doesn't always look like fire. Sometimes it looks like endurance. Sometimes it looks like choosing calm over chaos. Sometimes it looks like saying, today I rest. And rest is sacred too. Gentle reminder. If your energy is low because you didn't sleep well, because you're stressed, because you're dealing with health, or because life just feels heavy, that is not a spiritual failure. Your path should support you, not exhaust you. Closing. If all you do today is breathe, hydrate, and be gentle with yourself, you are still practicing. You are still walking your path. Quiet days count. Soft days count. Low energy days count. If this resonated with you today, you're not alone. You can leave a comment and share how your energy's been lately. I do read them. And if you'd like more calm, low energy practiced like this, you're welcome to subscribe. Take care of yourself. Blessed be.